Good. Hello everyone, this is May de los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is February 12, 2025. So, may na-order ako na talagang matagal ko na siyang pinag-isipan na orderin ko siya. Then, yan. So, proud ako kasi may matulungan din ako ng isang bata. Sa isang order mo, makatulong ka ng isa. So, yan. Nag-order ako ng watch. Galing sa ang site nila is Love, Hope, and Faith. So, ito yung order ko guys. Hindi ko na yan taguin yung ano ko, order ko kasi alam nyo yung pangalan ko, diba? So, yan. Hindi nyo makita yung address ko kasi hindi naman to maano. So, ito. Naka-order siya. So, GT Express ang nagdala sa kanya, courier niya. So, yan. Wala nang tago-tago pa. Bakit ako magtatago-tago? So, i-unbox natin ito. So, talagang pinag-isipan ko siya, guys. Kasi, talagang naka-bubble wrap pala talaga. Talagang dalawa pang bubble wrap, ha? Tingnan nyo. Talagang dinubli yung bubble wrap. So, guys, ito na guys. Nag-picture lang ako para cover photo. So, United Helping Center. So, Love and Faith Group. So, may watch naman ako. Yan. So, ito yung ano niya. Order natin. Yeah. Ganun na natin siya kasi makita yung ano natin. Kasi malaki yung ano niya. Ito siya. So, ang shipping fee is 185. So, this one is 350. So, subtotal is 535. So, okay lang yan kasi makatulong ako ng isang bata na nangailangan. So, itong Love and Hope Faith is magbili ka nito, yung 0.5% I think is going to the child that have a cancer patient. I don't know if you can see it, a work for warrior. Yep. So this is the cancer patient. A work created by Little Cancer Warriors. So don't worry, I will order again. So ito siya guys. So everything of this watch will bring hope for the cancer patient. So I'm so thankful that I get this one because I help little people that have a cancer. So ito na siya guys. So I like this one to be a what you call that, bookmarker. Yes, Love and Hope. Love and Faith, Hope. So, ito na siya guys. So, ito yung relo natin. Ang ganda ng strap niya guys. Yeah, together let's help. See? this one here. Together, let's help. Ang ganda niya. Yeah. So it's much better I bought this one because I help little one. Diba? So yes, this one. And ang sa likod is a hand with the other hand that try to ask help or something holding. So cute. Then the strap is together. Together, let's help. Diba? So every time I wear this one, I'm just remembering my life and the people have a problem. So I'm so happy I'm ordering this one already, and wish come true that I get it. So I have a one watch there, then I have this one, and this one is our, what you call that, like the one that is not sure, it's a rubber, soap rubber, like what we have in the, what you call that, the smartwatch. See? So I have on my other one. So like this one. Happy to help in the simple way. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is May sa Mommy May Kokokera. Thank you and stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye. So guys, if you like to order a watch, just go this site, Love and Hope Fit Group, because you can help a cancer patient, especially kids. So yeah, the box is really nice. Yes, this kind of, what you call that, drawing of the people, artwork created by Little Cancer Warrior. So diba? Yeah, this is the different kind of color. So I have this one, and yeah, and then so this one you can use in, what you call that, by bookmark. So it's remind you that you bought from them. So this is my watch. So this is really nice, guys. Oh, together, let's help. So it's much better for me. I prefer to order because this is my, what you call that, my wish. So look at this one. Oh, everything of this watch will bring hope to cancer patients. Yeah, it's true. So now I order this one is for me. Yep. Then look at this is, what you call that, to you guys. You can every day you wear this one. It's remind you kids, a patient with cancer that struggle every day like that. So I order it because I love it, and it's make my life easier to think that there's not only me having a problem in life, that I can move around, walk around, but them it's really hard because some of them is suffering cancer. So look at lifesaver. A life is an, what is this? Yeah, just like that, guys. I love it. So thank you so much for watching my video. guys. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So enjoy your life, guys, with your family, and I will say bye bye. See you.